Hello, welcome to Java 1 Programming. I'm your instructor, Michael Waits. And in this introduction video, I'll let you know a little bit about myself and then discuss some important topics about this class. While I'll be covering some of the information from the syllabus, you should still read the syllabus because I don't cover all the topics. As I said, we'll start out with my introduction. As a professor, I've been instructing for about 3 years in different programming languages. In a professional environment, I've been giving classes for many years on a wide range of skills people in a professional organization need. Additionally, I'm a manager of a mobile development team for Penske Truck Leasing. When I'm not working, I'm spending time with my wife and my 3 girls. And when I'm really lucky, I'm in my Jeep off-roading. If you need to get in touch with me to ask a question, get some help, or request some online one-on-one time, please send me a message through our class or send me an email to my SBC email account. While I do have a phone number listed, it's a phone in an office on the Clearwater campus that I probably haven't seen in about 2 years. Yes, I'll get an email transcription of your voicemail if you leave one, but the process is slow and an email will still be your best bet. If you need help, we can schedule a Zoom one-on-one to go over things. Typically, I set these meetings up for the evening during the week and at different times during the weekend. Now, a bit about the course. This is a beginning course in Java language. In this class, you will learn to solve programming problems by designing, coding, executing, and debugging Java programs. You'll cover several major topics, including data types and expressions, selections, loops, methods, arrays, classes, and object-oriented programming, exception handling, abstract classes, interfaces, text I/O, and an introduction to Java FX. This probably sounds like a lot to you, and it should. We will cover a bit of materials in this class, and I strongly suggest you prepare yourself for it for a busy semester. Let me say this again. We have a lot to cover over the next 7 weeks, and most likely, and like most programming courses, this course is an intensive and will require a good amount of work per week. Most weeks, you will need to invest around 9 to 12 hours for this course. So let's talk a little bit about attendance here at SBC. SBC has an attendance policy where I must take attendance 3 times during this class. The attendance will be taken at the end of each week for the first 2 weeks and at the 60% of class milestone. For the first 2 weeks, there are discussion posts you must make to be marked present in the class. The 60% mark is a bit different. I will review your progress at that time and mark you present if you are participating in the class. While this is discretionary, typically, if you've missed 2 or more assignments, I will mark you as not participating and you'll be withdrawn from the class. So this is a good time to talk about your assignments and quizzes. Assignments are due at the end of each Sunday. However, assignments can be turned in until the end of Tuesday with a 10% late penalty per day after Sunday. In other words, if you turn in your assignment, the highest on Monday, the highest you can expect on that assignment is 90%. On Tuesday, 80%. After that, assignments are not accepted unless you have a documented emergency. Let me say that one more time. No work is accepted after Tuesday unless you have a documented emergency. Quizzes are due at the end of Sunday and do not have a late period. So if you take your quiz and you don't take your quiz by Sunday, again, unless you have a documented emergency, the quiz will receive a 0. Please be aware, some weeks have more than 1 module. Therefore, more than 1 assignment is due and more than 1 quiz is due. Check your due dates. You may even want to print out the assignment due dates to keep on track. Tell me that you didn't know more modules were due is not a good excuse to turn in late work. Okay, so now for the part of this talk I hate having. I have to give it every semester, so I just want to take a moment and remind you that this is a college course, and academic honesty is an important topic. SBC has empowered all of its instructors to take academic honesty very seriously. So as someone that has multiple degrees, I have no tolerance for academic dishonesty. Like me and all the other students that work so hard to earn the grade they receive, I expect that you do the same. If I find out that you are cheating on the homework or quizzes, or you are enabling others to cheat, I must give you an F for the semester and report you to SBC for academic dishonesty. Please know that if you are found to have been academically dishonest, your name will go in a database, and that will affect your career, your academic career, permanently. Some schools will not let you apply or attend their school if you've been academically dishonest in the past. So please, just don't do it. So what does this mean, academic dishonesty? Yes, it means cheating on the quiz. This includes getting help from other people or looking up the answers online. In this class, you may use your notes and the book for the quiz. However, please note that I use HonorLock for the quizzes and the final exam. I know using HonorLock is not high on everyone's list. And no, I'm not doing it to be Big Brother. Sadly, it is just too easy to use the internet to look up answers, and therefore, to add integrity to this course, HonorLock helps keep cheating to a minimum. Additionally, academic dishonesty includes a student who is posting the answers to a quiz online. Again, HonorLock helps to minimize this by disabling certain things on your computer during test taking. Finally, getting help on your homework by using solution providing services such as Chegg or others is cheating. Posting solutions for the homework is also cheating. You may get help from others and the internet to do your assignment, but there are two major distinctions separating getting help and cheating. First, a majority of the solution must be your idea and your effort. Second, if you do get help from someone or the internet, make sure you say where you got the help in your collaboration statement. One more thing. If you are answering a fellow student in a post about the homework, posting the solution is considered cheating. Please give them information on how to think through the problem and get their own solution. If you're not sure, just drop me a message and I can give you some guidance so you don't find yourself in hot water. So back to the good stuff. Now, if you get a B or better in this course and in Java 2, SBC will pay the test fee for you to take the Oracle Java Foundation Certificate exam, also known as the 1Z0-811 exam. With that said, this class and Java 2 strive to prepare you for this exam. This is a great opportunity, and I really do recommend it for those that maintain a B or better. I'd like to take a moment and tell you something I found to be very important as a student myself, and now as an instructor. You must own your own education. Nobody else will own it for you. This means always stay up with your classes. Your instructors may reach out if they notice you're struggling, but not always. Sometimes it's hard for an instructor to see a student struggling. Sometimes things look similar to other patterns, such as non-participation. Also, most instructors have a quite large set of students, and seeing someone struggling can be difficult. Instead, own your own education. If you are struggling, reach out. Let me know you're struggling. Make a plan with me to get some extra help. Also, own your own education by making yourself important. Make sure you're important by saying that your education is important and that you deserve the time needed to do good. You have to make sure you spend enough time on class. This might mean telling family you need more quiet time to work. This might mean telling your friends you can't hang out, but that's okay. You are important and you deserve to make your education important. Now, toward the end of this course, you will have the opportunity to participate in grading me. So yes, you get a moment to take and grade me. Turn the tables a little bit and grade me. And tell me how well I've done. So make sure that you do the student survey of instruction and let me know how well I did. I take the SSI to heart and I make adjustments in how I instruct based on feedback. So it's important. please take the time when we get there to do the SSI. All right, last topic. This class does have a final exam, so please make sure you give yourself plenty of time to do the test. It is open notes and open book. However, just like the quizzes, there is a time limit to the test. You will not have enough time to look up every question. Be prepared for the test. So you only have to look up a few questions. That's it. I hope you have a great semester, and I look forward to getting to know you all. Remember to reach out to me if you have any questions or any concerns. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.